the cartoonist take. So you've got lots of cartoonists. I call them the real journalists because they say so much in one picture that a journalist, a print writer will not be able to say it in 1,000 words. That's where the phrase comes from. And TV journalists can go on and on many hours. They'll never be able to match the power of one picture. So we've got Sandeep, who's the chief cartoonist of the Times of India, who has gone viral with this cartoon. Sandeep, welcome to NDTV. This is a cartoon where you show a football. There is Mamata Banerjee with a slipper on one foot, plaster cast on the other, and says Khela Hobe. Thank you very much. We'll just ask you some questions on this cartoon. Then we have Manjul. He's also a cartoonist, and he came up with this cartoon right here. It shows the BJP's car being stopped by Mamata Banerjee's plaster cast. So Manjul is also with us. We'll talk to him too. And Mr. Ponappa could not join us. Satish Acharya and his cartoon, split into two parts. One, Narendra Modi and Mamata Banerjee walking together in a race. And then Mamata Banerjee zooms past with a plaster cast and Narendra Modi says, this is fake. Manjul, Sandeep, as well as Satish Acharya, thank you very much for joining us. I respect cartoonists. Really, really respect your work. Manjulji, we'll begin with you first. This is, of course, your creativity right now. But would you stand corrected or would you make a different cartoon if you were to realize that Mamata Banerjee may not have been speaking the truth, that this may not have been an attack? It was just an accident.
See, in my cartoon, I am not implying that whether she was attacked or it was an accident. See, it is only showing her plastered leg. Okay, so, and which is true, her leg is plastered. Now the situation is that whether this leg will work as a speed breaker for BJP, will it stop it completely? Will it slow it down? That is the situation. That is the situation right now. Nobody knows what is going to happen on the polling day. Okay, so we'll come to know only on 2nd of May, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, what happens that time? So
and you'll come up with a different cartoon.
Of course. So the cartoon is relevant only for today. The situation which is today. So basically, it could be a big speed breaker. Now, BJP can come up with something like yesterday, some of the BJP leaders went and met to see Mamata Banerjee.
Yeah.
So they are also trying. So politics is going on.
Okay.
Okay. So it's a continuous process. So you cannot just live in this particular moment.
Yeah. As Sandeep wrote in his cartoon, Khela Hobe. Sandeep, your cartoon has really captured the imagination. It's right here. Let me put it on the screen. Khela Hobe. How did this thought come to you to put a football, slipper on one foot, plaster cast on the other, a football stadium?
You know, this Khela Hobe thing, actually this is one of those very few moments when, you know, that's kind of eureka moment when there's a sudden impulse, this visual is there in your mind and you just execute it. So, you know, as far as this cartoon is concerned, to me this is, you know, a classic neutral cartoon, you know, in which you have, in which both the parties can perhaps draw something in their favor, right? So it's a you know, it's open to multiple interpretations. It's a multi-layered cartoon. There's a subtext to it. You know, of course, Trinamool Congress can always say that, you know, yes, Mamata Banerjee is a fighter, and which is being shown in the cartoon that in spite of her, you know, injury, she is ready to take on BJP, and BJP can claim that, you know, she is, you know, it's all theatrics and the injury may not be real.
No, I don't think so. I think
it could be an accident. So it's.
I think the clear message here appears, Sandeep, that here is a lady who, despite a plaster cast, is firmly keeping her foot on the football and saying Khela Hobe. She wants the game to be on. That's the dominating message of your cartoon.
Yes, that's because the kind of subjectivity involved. The other party can always claim that if she's so unfit, then how can she so having the foot on the ball and ready to fight? If it was the injury was real,
Sure.
if it isn't if it is not fake, then she should not be so fit to fight, right?
True.
So you can argue both ways.
Yeah, absolutely. Satish Acharya also came up with a cartoon. Let me put it right here. That's Satish Acharya's cartoon. We have a making of this video also, which Satish has shared with us. We'll play this out. Satish, there was a very interesting thing that Sandeep mentioned about the neutrality of a cartoon. He said that anyone can, it's subjective, it can be perceived any which way. But I don't think cartoonists never really worry about neutrality. The cartoon and its impact is that anyone can construe it in any way. But it has a very clear and direct message, far more than my program, anyone's program, or a newspaper report.
Basically, cartoon is a cartoonist opinion towards the news happening, some breaking news or some news happening in our country. It's more about individual opinion. It can be biased also. It may not be, as they say, any opinion is not unbiased. Every opinion is biased. So, even in that bias, we try to be neutral. We try to become the voice of people, opinion of the people. We try to depict in our own way. In my cartoon, this cartoon, I was trying to show the clash between two people, two huge personalities. Though it's an assembly election, it's a clash between Narendra Modi and Mamta Didi. And we have seen that everyone is curious about West Bengal elections.
Yeah.
And this injury has affected her movements during the campaigning.
Yeah.
But the irony is that it could help her also.
Yeah, true.
Because
And
she
as
could
Manjul
gain
said,
some
that these are cartoons of the moment. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if things develop,
Right.
all the three of you will be more than happy and more than glad to represent the political situation then.
Yeah, we
This is
respond to
reflective of
news.
today.
Yeah, we normally respond to news as a cartoonist.
Yeah.
We keep changing also. We are neutral as an individual, as a professional,
Yeah.
but we keep responding to news.
But
Tomorrow, if something happens at BJP's camp, we'll respond to it.
absolutely.
It's
But,
like that.
but let me just say this, that Satish Acharya, Sandeep as well as Manjul, tremendous amount of respect, because the cartoon tends to pinch politicians much more than a news write-up or maybe a television report. This hurts people more. It pinches more. So you are the real journalist.
That could be the reason we are trolled more.
May the trolling continue. May the tribe grow. Thank you very much,
One more
Sandeep,
point is,
Satish.
one more point is,
Very quickly. Yeah.
I want to put one point. See, though the West Bengal elections are being held in 8 phases, it's not a marathon. I look at it as 800-meter sprints.
Okay.
So there will be 800-meter
Great.
sprints.
Maybe an idea
Let's
to
see.
the three of you for the next cartoon. Thank you very much. Manjul, Sandeep as well as Satish. Thank you so much
Yeah,
for joining
thank
us.
you.